Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to compress PDF on Android. So if you want to compress the PDF on Android, first of all what you have to do is download the application which allows you to compress PDF. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for PDF compressor. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find various applications that will help you to compress the PDF. You can simply install any of this application. In my case, I've downloaded this application PDF compressor. Simply tap on the application you want to download and tap on the install option. After that, this particular application will be installed on your device. Once it has been installed, what you have to do is open the application that you've installed. If you also install the PDF compressor application, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options at bottom. Tap on the option Tools. Now you'll be led to the Tools interface. You'll be able to find various tools over here. Out of these tools, what you have to do is find the tool for PDF compress and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the file. Tap on the file that you want to compress. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: low quality, medium quality, high quality. Tap on the option of your choice. High quality is only possible if you have the pro version. You can also enter the file name over here. You can see over here it will already be entered. You can tap on it and edit it. Now after you're done, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the PDF is being compressed. Now the PDF has been compressed successfully. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the PDF. Simply tap on this option, View PDF. Now you'll be able to see the compressed PDF over here. You can see over here there is a vast difference in original size and compressed size. So like this, you'll be able to compress the PDF. So that is how you compress PDF on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.